This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add custom JavaScript code in your WordPress website using Elementor. So if you have Elementor, now we will install Essential Add-ons plugin. So go to the plugin section and click on Add New and type here Essential Add-ons, and this is the plugin we are going to use to add custom JavaScript code. Once it's installed, make sure to activate. Once it's activated, here set up this plugin. And once you are in Essential Add-ons plugin page, here select extensions and here search for Custom JS. Make sure to enable Custom JS and click on Save Settings. Once done, go to your website. Once you are in your website, open the page where you want to add Custom JS and click on Edit with Elementor. And now click on the settings icon, click on Advanced, and now here you will get the option where you can easily add your custom JS or JavaScript codes. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.